I heard that all the staff is running, like they all are running towards the B side, like bachao, 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 bachao. Then I said, what is happening? Then I shouted, why you all are running? Then they said, sir, you also run. That fellow is fully drunken. He is totally gone mad. He is coming with the broken beer bottle. He will kill you. He is telling that whoever will come on my way, he will kill. The moment I could realize like I should run, he entered in the restaurant from this door, and by the time I could get up and run, he just catch hold of me and he stabbed that bottle in my stomach. I got cut, started bleeding, and when I was trying to run, he took hold of my leg and he twisted badly. So I got injury. Now report will come. They have diagnosed initially it is broken, I think.
वायल्ड सेक्युरिटी एजन्सीचो सेक्युरिटीज वायल्ड जालो. सेक्युरिटी गार्डाचे कांयच व्हेरिफिकेशन केल्लें ना म्हूण रिसॉर्ट म्हणटा.
Kamal Kumar Pant. First of all, he was not working here with the original name. He used to call that his name is Phillips. But when police police has grilled him, then we came to know that his original name is Kamal Kumar Pant, Kamal Pant, and he is from Assam. Where when he was here, he used to say that he has married with a Goan girl and his name is Phillips. So this is the whatever security persons are being sent by the agencies are not coming with the proper police verification. Neither they are giving documents to their agencies to us, and it is agency's duty also to provide us the full details.
आमी वायल्ड सेक्युरिटी एजन्सीच्या चिफाक मेळ्ळे. तो भलतेच उलयता.
म्हाका म्हणूंक लागलो म्हजो सेक्युरिटी कोण पियोन येवन म्हणूंक लागलो हॉटेलान मातशें बोवाड करूंक लागता म्हूण कोत्तालो बोवाड कोत्तालो. मागीर म्हाका आपयलो तेणें बेगीन यो म्हणून तुज्या सेक्युरिटीचो प्रॉब्लम पळोवपाक. मागीर हांवें म्हजो फिल्ड ऑफिसराक धाडलो वच आनी पळय बेगीन कितें जालां तें. आनी मागीर हांवूय गेलो मिन टायम हांव वचून पळयलें जाल्यार ते सेक्युरिटी ऑफ ड्युटी आशिल्लो तो जेवपाक गेल्लो थिंगा ऑफ ड्युटी आहा तेन्ना तांकां थिंगा जेवण मेवता. सो तो रुमानसून थिंगा गेल्लो ताका जेवण तेणी दिवंक ना मुसता. तो जेवण दिवंक ना तेंचें कितें आर्ग्युमेंट जालो तें हांव नको. तेजे उपरांत हो सेक्युरिटी हेणी मारून ताका फूल तेजे स्टाफांनी आनी ते जेमान सगल्यांनी तेणी ताका मारून ताका एक रुमान तेजे फूल ब्लड तोंडांतल्यान नाकांतल्यान सगळें रगत व्हांवतालें आनी बांदून घालून तेणी ताका दवरला. तेजे उपरांत म्हाका फोन केला. ताका मारून बिरून सगळं बांदून घालून जाले उपरांत म्हाका फोन केला की तुजो सेक्युरिटी अशें कोत्तालो म्हणून. म्हाका सांगूंक ना तेणी पयलीं हेका मारून बिरून बांदून घालून दवरला म्हणून.
सध्या त्या सेक्युरिटीक 4 दिसाचो पुलीस रिमांड दिला. कोलवा पुलीस ताची चौकशी करतात. प्रुडंटा खातीर साव्यो डायस.